Thank you, Master of Ceremonies, for the kind words of welcome and introduction. The Honorable Member of Parliament, Mr. Balwinder Singh, the members of the Carnival Committee, the Police Commander, Eastern Division, CEO, Nassuri Town Council, the team from Vodafone, former mayors of Nassuri Town Council, Carnival contestants, the judges, ladies, gentlemen, and children. Bola Minaka Nassuri. I have been informed that after the lapse of 13 years, this carnival have been revived. But let me take you people a little bit back, that why you will witness and observe that in all municipalities this year, starting this year, we will have carnivals. Early this year, I directed all the municipalities to organize carnivals in the respective towns and cities. In past years, whoever was the winner of the Hibiscus Festival used to represent Fiji. This year, after all carnivals throughout the country, the winners will battle, just like you're going to have Battle of Giants in 2-3 days. You will have Battle of Queens from all the districts, and then whoever is declared as the winner will represent Fiji, which will be a real Miss Fiji. And that's why, after a lapse of 13 years, Nassuri is also having their carnival. I'm very pleased and honored to be here tonight on the invitation of the Carnival Committee to declare tonight's program open. It is very encouraging to see that the cities and towns, besides their normal businesses, engage in community and charity work to raise funds for the Watikos. Annual town carnival programs are now fundamental part of the calendar of events for all municipalities throughout the country. Ladies and gentlemen, I am sure that the Vodafone Tebara Carnival 2015 will complement the new public and private investment to the town. Over the past month, I have followed closely and contributed to these developments. They include the opening of the new market bus stand at the relocated site within weeks and proposed shopping mall at the old municipal market site. No doubt, the people of Nassuri need an annual carnival activity to strengthen resolution and network, celebrate in togetherness, and establish foundations in building a better Nassuri for all. The place has its own unique features and generally known as People's Place. It is the hub for the three provinces, namely Talebu, Natasiri, and Rewa. And I'm sure that everyone will enjoy the week-long carnival. Town beautification is no doubt important and always generates spillover benefits. It involves having an attractive landscape, attractive well-designed welcome signboards, and indeed other activities that any town expects. It is important for everyone at Nassori to join hands and contribute to the carnival theme. I urge that you all join hands together and support the carnival committee so that the committee come next year can take this carnival to another level. Let me assure the citizens, ratepayers and friends of Nassori that my ministry will play its role in development in Nassori town, and as the second main air entry port into Fiji, with an increasing number of international routes into Nassori, my ministry and the Tebara government is committed to turning the airport and town into a suitable welcoming point for all travelers. For the carnival proper, let me commend all the contestants, their hard-working and generous sponsors, and of course, their support network of family and friends. They are the real stars of this night. So well done, and your contribution to Nassori are highly acknowledged. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I congratulate the committee, and I know that they will be an active player in the contribution towards the Nassori Town Council. May I take this opportunity to thank the committee members for taking the initiative and organizing this carnival. All the best to the carnival contestants, and I'm sure that all of you are excited in your anticipation of who will be part of the Miss Fiji pageant contestant. Once again, all the best, and may God bless you all. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I have the greatest pleasure to declare tonight's program open. Vinaka.